Hi guys, I'm feeling good here and I'm hoping all are good and stay safe at home. Don't come out due to this pandemic situation. We must stay at home. Okay, now today's topic is Jupiter. So let us visit the Jupiter. So this is a Jupiter. Jupiter is a planet which containing gases, full of gases without a land and surfaces. And Jupiter contains four moons. You can see here, and the first moon is Io, second moon is Europa, third moon is Ganymede, and fourth moon is Callisto. So you can see here, and let us visit Jupiter structure. This is a Jupiter structure. You can see here. Wait, I will show. When you see here, these all are gases. These all are gases. These all are gases. Only the middle part of a core is containing a small land, and the outside layer of a mantle and the outside layer of a crust are full of gases. So here given, see here all. So here see all. These lines are there now. How this is formed, I want to tell now. When Jupiter modifies some years ago, some million years ago, back Jupiter formed. So how Jupiter forms? Let us talk about the topic. Jupiter forms from a sun's waste materials and surrounded gaseous and some galaxies. Helping of these materials, Jupiter were formed. So you can raise one question in your mind, that how Jupiter contain a large shape and it is a largest planet in the whole solar system. Now how it forms? Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system because at a space there are so many gases: neon, nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, etc, 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 etc. So many are gases are available in a space and in a planets also. Containing these gases and taking the waste materials from the sun. Sun forms some million years ago, and when the sun forms, they left some waste materials from it. By taking that waste materials, these Jupiter were formed. So we can see here Jupiter structure. This Jupiter rotates very fastly. So these Jupiter were rotated very fastly, and the Jupiter period is at almost 10 hours. The Jupiter rotation period is almost 10 hours, and Jupiter contains a 20,000 Earth strength. Jupiter maintains 20,000 Earth strength. So how strengthy he is, we can understood. So when we mix 1,000 Earths, Jupiter will form. When we mix 1,000 Earths, Jupiter is formed. So how width and how lengthy the Jupiter we can understood here. So once we want to say a structure, see this structure. These Jupiter contain a morely hydrogen, gives a magnetic power to the Jupiter to stands and rotates its own axis. So we can see here atmosphere, molecule, hydrogen and helium. At the top of atmosphere, which is covered the Jupiter, and a mantle and core which covered the outer layer, is called as a crust. So here there is a no crust because there is a no land at the surface. There is only gases. So it form, we talked previous that Jupiter containing a more gases. So here we can see, so mantle also containing more gaseous, and atmosphere also containing more gases, but core have a solid rocks. And we talked at the previous that Jupiter forms due to a sun waste materials. So that waste materials goes below and forms a core, and other is filled with a gaseous. So we can see here. So Jupiter forms a million years ago, and its rotation period is a maximum 10 hours, and it is a mixture of a 1000 earths, and it have a 20,000 earth strength, and it diameter is one maximum 150 meters. So here we can see. So thank you all. Hope you are safe and be at home in this pandemic situation. All are stay at home, don't go out, and watching my channel to have better information, and comment what information do you want. Until then, be safe, stay at home, and bye bye.